Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Yearn to Learn. This video will enable you to convert the tests that you have already made in Word or in doc format into Google Forms with least efforts. Many a times teachers have a bank of question papers, but that is in document form. So let's see how we can convert into Google Form with very less efforts. Let's begin. I've already created a doc test to help aid this process. I'm going to Google Drive now. There is a setting that you need to change before you have your test here in Google Drive. Go to third last icon here of settings. Click here. Click on settings. This box convert uploads is unchecked by default. Check this box. It will convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. And done. Now let's upload the file that is already there. I've already created. It is in doc format. Now I'm opening it here. So this is the doc file that I have already created, and now I have uploaded it in Google Drive. Let's go to recent. Here it is, Y2L demo English. I'll click it and you see it is now opening in Google Docs format. So this is the benefit of selecting that settings options prior to uploading the test here. Now it is opening in Google Doc. We need to convert it into Google Forms. What we will do, we will go to add-ons option here, which is next to the tools tab. Get add-ons, and in the search box we will look for doc to form. This is doc to form. You can get it from G Suite Marketplace, and let's install it. It will ask you the email account. Please choose the same that you are using to access your Google Drive. Let's click on done and let's see whether we have got it here. Again, let's click on add-ons. You can see doc to form is appearing here. It's asking you create form from doc. Yes, this is what we wanted. So let's click here. You see a new window will appear on the extreme right. Here are instructions that you can read. Doc to form allows you to create a form directly from the doc. Either type in your questions, copy and paste text into the question boxes, or simply select some text and click use selected text. So these are the options. Let's see how it works. Now these are the form options. If you want to collect the email addresses, you can check this box. If you want to ask for the name of the students, you can check this box. If you want to ask the name of the teacher, then you can check this box. Now coming to question 1, it's saying use selected text. So text. So what we can do, we can just select the text here and click here. Use selected text. It is automatically appearing here. Now as you see, this is a multiple choice question. Now type is coming here, text. Click here on the arrow. You will see these are the options for the question type. Text, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, choose from a list. I wanted multiple choice. Now there is a box that is saying you can add options here separated with semicolons. So let's choose these options from here. Let's copy and paste here. And as the instruction is saying, without any space, let's simply put semicolons. Right, so we have put the semicolons here. So this is our first question ready. Add question. Let's come to the second question. Again, let me select it. Use selected text. So this will automatically appear here. Again, this is an MCQ, so I am selecting multiple choice question. Now these options I want, so I am just copying and pasting. And what I have to do after that, put a semicolon after each option so that they convert into multiple choices. So this is what we have to do. Now the good thing is, as you are adding questions, you can make a choice. Say I don't want this third question, so I may miss it. I am using this fourth question here. So again, I'll show you how you can copy. Control C and then Control V, or simply copy and paste. Now this question is there. Again, this is an MCQ, multiple choice. The options, Control C, Control V. Do not forget to put semicolons so that the choices appear. Now I have added 3 MCQs here. Let me add one more question here. You can type your own question here. For example, you thought that let us give a new question here. For example, give an example of metaphor. So this is a text based question, so text you have written and add question if you want to add more. So this is how it would be done. So you see there are 4 questions that we have created, but would they be converted into form? Let's see. Click on create form if you do not have any further questions to add. It's written now creating form. So your form has been created. It is located in your Google Drive. You want to view your form, so click here. Let's view our form. So you see this form is appearing here. Now we checked this box for email addresses, it's coming here. We checked this box for collecting students' name, it's coming here. You can edit it also. You want it short answer, you want what is the student's name instead of what is your name. So you can edit here. You see, you can edit this form. Now this is the question next with multiple choices. You want to remove any option, you can remove. Similarly, you want to add any option, you can add whatever is there. Maybe we put some extra semicolon here. So this is what you can do. These are the multiple choice questions, and give an example of metaphor. This was a short answer text, so this is also coming here. This is our Google form which is ready. If you want to shift any question up and down or add any question, even now you have converted your form from doc to form. Now you want to add another question, so then also you can click here on add question and you can add your question here. For example, write a paragraph on any topic, nature. So you can give that. It is a paragraph based question, paragraph, and this is how. If you want, these are mandatory questions, just check the required field. And if you want to make it a quiz, then you can make it a quiz by going to setting options. Let's click on the required. Whatever questions you want should be mandatory. Don't forget to check this required field. Now here are the settings. If you want to make it a quiz, you know what to do. Go to quizzes and make this a quiz, and then you can check this and add the correct answers. If you want more details on it, you can see my other video where I have explained how you can create forms, quizzes and online tests. I have shared the link in the description box below. So this was easy. Let's preview it quickly, how our form would look like. This is Y2L demo English form. It has by default taken the same name that I had given to my document file, the Word file. Now you see email address, student's name, and the questions with options, short answer and paragraph. This is how it will appear. The students will attempt it and put submit. If you want to change the name, you can change the name from here. So you can change the name also. Let's preview it again. The name is changed now. So this is how you can easily just extract your doc to form with a few steps and the help of a simple add-on. I hope this video has helped you, and all the best making online tests. May God bless you all. This is Priya Hana signing